My name is Chris. I've been working with Tony for several years. We decided that we were going to put together a story of mine that how I broke from corporate culture and the thinking of corporate culture. There are several people out there in the world that are not happy with their jobs or their chosen line of work. They're stuck in these environments and they wish things were different. My story kind of tracks my journey to how I started out as a young college graduate, entered corporate culture about 22 years ago, and what I did and how I came to the situation that I was just not happy. With that said, I started taking some metaphysical classes about 5 years back, working on various things, and I came to this conclusion where I wanted to make a change, and I had a lot of help in doing that. I want to tell this story in a way that, maybe you too can find something from this. So, to back things up, I graduated from Texas A&M with a mechanical engineering degree. I entered a corporate world in California with a small company that did semiconductor equipment. During the 90s and all the way through the 2000s, the Silicon Valley was the place to be if you wanted to be in the technology realm. I worked everything from a design engineer, project engineer, basically, all over the map. During the boom 90s, when the IPO and the internet boom was going, and somewhere along the lines, I was laid off in the late 90s. I decided I wanted to make a change, and I completely reinvented myself and went to work in the IT world. It was for a large software manufacturer, and I worked there for 11 years. The last 5 to 6 years of my tenure there, I just wasn't happy due to various things. This somewhat coincided with my metaphysical quest or spiritual journey. In that, I knew I wanted to make a change. I wasn't being fulfilled in the way that I wanted through the corporate, through my work. And the corporate structure really didn't support individual exploration of that. And luckily, I had a large support group. My wife helped me tremendously, and we found something else that we wanted to do. So in this exploration, I found that the corporate structure was just not fulfilling what I wanted to create and what I wanted to manifest. And through this exploration and my story, I want to walk you through what I did, that I finally arrived at a place where I am able to create the things I want to. I am able to do the work that I find fulfilling, both from a labor standpoint and a spiritual standpoint. Through starting my own business and this adventure that I am on and this journey, I am able to become aware of the person that I want to be, and I am able to fulfill a lot more of those aspects and the creative aspects within that intent. And I am a much happier person. Yes, I still have my daily trials and tribulations, but I have a greater awareness of who I am within that, and I'm able to express myself and not put on masks that I am trying to blend into this corporate culture. I truly believe that if you are able to bring that about in yourself, you will be a happier person. Whether you choose to stay in the corporate culture or not, you don't have to jump off and start your own business or do something. But it's all a matter of expressing yourself and being the person you want to be.